In this video, I will show you how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot in Windows 11 or how to connect PC internet to mobile via hotspot Wi-Fi. So first of all, you need to click on the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner of the screen or the internet connection icon, and you will see the Wi-Fi option here. You need to click on this arrow which says that manage Wi-Fi connections, and you need to make sure you're connected to the working Wi-Fi. And once you're done, you need to click on the start option and you need to navigate to settings. Once you're right inside, you need to navigate to network and internet in the left side of the screen, and you need to click on mobile hotspot. Once you do so, you need to make sure share my internet connection from Wi-Fi is enabled in the settings, and in the properties you need to change the name and the password, and for that you need to click on edit and you can change the name and the password to your desired preferences. So for the name, I'm going to write FLIXITY, and for the password for my internet connection, I'm going to write subscribe FLIXITY. So once you are done entering your name and the password of your desired choice, you need to click on save, and once you're done, you need to enable the Wi-Fi hotspot by turning this on. Now your internet connection is live and you are able to connect through this network using your Wi-Fi. And now the mobile hotspot is live and you will be able to see the internet connection with the name FLIXITY, and you can connect it with the password subscribe FLIXITY. So let us check this out. Alright fellas, so right now I am inside my another computer, and in this computer we will test the Wi-Fi hotspot that we recently created. For that we need to go to the internet connection icon just like this, and you need to click on this. Once you do so, you need to enable the Wi-Fi, and you need to click on this arrow manage Wi-Fi connections. In order to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot that we created, you need to click on this and make sure you check this connect automatically, and you need to click on connect. Once you do so, you need to enter the password, and we have subscribe FLIXITY as a password. Alright, so I have entered the password, and now we will click on next, and once you do so, you will be successfully connected to the FLIXITY Wi-Fi hotspot that we recently created. Now in order to test that out, let us go to the Google Chrome and search for YouTube. Alright fellas, so right now I am right inside the Google Chrome, and now I will click on the YouTube, and once I do so, I will be navigated to the YouTube and the internet is working perfectly. So that was the way on how you can make a Wi-Fi hotspot in Windows 11. If you face any issues while creating a Wi-Fi hotspot in your Windows 11, you can comment down below in the comment section and I will be there to help you out in any case. And have a nice day.